What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Stuff and Such. Today we're back on the kitchen floor project series. Unfortunately, I lost a bit of footage there in working on the sawmill, taking it back apart and continue on working. So here we are with the hopeful final prototype. When I mounted it up that time you last seen, it had enough power to lift the carriage up and down, but I didn't have enough power to try and hold it in place. So I added another jack shaft here. Just kind of whipped up a little handy dandy friction bearing through a grease nipple in it, and in turn doing gave me another 3 to 1 reduction. So hopefully it'll go even, so it will go slower, which is what I wanted anyway, and hopefully it'll have enough power to keep it from turning. So we're gonna go throw it in and we'll touch back then. Alright folks, we got her all chained back up here, bolted up. So we're just gonna go ahead, wire the motor up kind of temporarily, and cross the fingers, knock on wood, and hopefully we'll be back in business. Test one. Still won't hold it. Plenty of power. Alright folks, I'm going to wrap this video up, make a nice short one for you, just to kind of bring you up to speed. I'm going to probably have to sit down, use some brain power on figuring on a fairly simple, user-friendly braking system. I have a little idea, but I don't really like it, so I'm gonna keep thinking on it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna sign off now. We'll catch you on the next video.